In this Tech Byte, I will be going over how to set up the discipline area in the parent and student portals. This is the fourth of 6 Tech Bytes in this setup operation. The setup is done in MMS Generations. We find it under School Management Jobs, Operations, and Setup Parent-Student Portal. We are going to be selecting the discipline monitoring in the left-hand list, and that brings up the information that we can display and include in the discipline area. I'm going to switch to my parent portal so we can take a look at that. I choose to call mine behavior rather than discipline, and this is the information that I have displayed. And I can see here that we do have an infraction for our student Nicole. So let's minimize this and go back to our generations right here. So this will activate or not activate the discipline tab for your parents and students. We have a date range of when we want to display the information as it is accrued. I have defaulted to the first day of school in my school year and the last day. We can put in the type. So the type is the descriptive word for the infraction or action. And then we have our day date. And then we have the infraction action description. And I just have that as description. So let's see how these are used in the parent portal. So I'm going to switch over to my parent portal, and I can see type, day date, and description. So type is referring to the infraction. The description is the infraction that the student did. In this case, it's cheating. And then I have the day date. So it displays the day of the week and the calendar date of the infraction that happened. And then we can choose to pull in the teacher name, the teacher's email, number of units for any actions, which is what the school gives to the student for doing something wrong. Units could be the number of demerit points that they received for the infraction, or it could be the number of hours of detention and so forth. I don't use units, so I didn't pull that in. We have the status, and status would be whether it's still open or whether it's a closed incident. And then we have our infraction note and our action note. And I just have note. So that's not very informative. So I'm going to add infraction note, which does not fit. I'm at my limit here. So we'll abbreviate that. And then we have our action note, and I should have enough room to add action. There we go. And when we are done, we will save and exit. We hope you found this Tech Byte informative.